Around the hospitality suites here, seeing the fans. What's it been like to have those moments?
Yeah, of course, it's really nice to see all our fans. I get a big smile on my face, and the energy that you can see in the stadium. It's something that I don't get the opportunity to do and get to see the fans. So no, to come out here and speak to them for a few minutes before the game, really important. Obviously, the most important thing is I want to be out on the pitch and helping the team. But when you can't do that, you want to make yourself useful. And to chat to the fans and meet the fans is really important for this club.
You've just had the elation of the Liverpool win, which you must have cherished very much there. What's it been like having the fans support and how much they spur you and the rest of the team on?
Yeah, really important. I think it's been a few difficult years for the fans. We've obviously won a couple of trophies, gave them some great memories, but last season was difficult. We finished with a defeat in the final, so to go to Liverpool, a ground that we haven't won for in nearly 10 years, which is something that we need to put right. We put it right at the weekend, and hopefully it's a change of things to come.